as the third best airport in the world last 2022 by SKYTRAX, our next stop's many charms are bound to dazzle. Whether you're in Singapore for a layover or spending a week in this tropical paradise, this place is bound to enchant the moment you land. I'm your Nomadic Juan. Let's explore a place where you can see too many goodbyes. This is Singapore Changi Airport.
Yo! Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang inyong travel way na may puso, and we are back with another vlog. At ngayon, andito tayo sa my third best airport in the world 2022, ang Changi Airport. And for today, explore lang natin kung anong meron sa Changi Airport at bakit pangatlo siya sa best airport in the world. And guys, tara! Explore natin!
I'm looking for a brand new start. I know I got some trouble getting over you. I think that I've played my part. I need to get away somewhere far from you.
The focal point of Singapore's status as a world-class aviation hub, Changi Airport is an unforgettable tourist destination in its own right. The airport comprises 4 terminals in Jewel Changi, a 10-story lifestyle hub that seamlessly links to Terminal 1, 2, and 3, and fuses artistry, architecture, and nature into a single structure.
I hope I met somebody who's better than you, that likes the smaller things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about playing ticket, playing ticket, playing ticket.
At ang pinaka-convenient na way of transfer from terminals is through SkyTrain. So tara, sakay tayo ng SkyTrain.
You said that I was not enough. You said you could do better than wasting time on me. And I admit it felt so tough, but baby, I guess this is how it's meant to be.
Close pala ang Terminal 2, kaya andito tayo sa Terminal 1. Ikutin muna natin and explore natin kung ano meron dito. Then later on, punta tayo ng Jewel para sa HSBC Rain Vortex. At yun, we are here now at Jewel, and nasa likod ko kung nakikita nyo yung famous HSBC Rain Vortex. So tara, explore natin.
Much like Singapore, which is globally renowned as a city and a garden, Changi Airport is home to green spaces and verdant gardens for travelers looking to unwind and stretch their legs after a long flight. To witness the most spectacular of these spaces, take a stroll over to Jewel Changi and marvel at the HSBC Rain Vortex, a 40-meter high indoor waterfall flanked on all sides by tropical plants and over 2,000 trees.
Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket.
Sensory delights await you at Changi Airport, with shopping and food options galore. Jewel Changi alone is home to over 100 eateries with more than 30 operating around the clock, while each of the 4 terminals boasts its own selection of restaurants, food halls, and food courts.
Get away from it all. A whole new start. I'm gonna.
An airport is a space that features frequent goodbyes, and this vlog was to remind you to find the good in goodbyes. English to kaya makinig ka, char. The right person will know how to hold your hand and stay. The right person will choose you just as deeply as you choose them. You will not have to quiet the way you care. You will never feel like you are too much. You will not have to beg for the love you deserve. One day, you will be someone's favorite thing and you will not be confused. You will not feel like you are fighting for someone who isn't fighting for you. One day, you will understand that it never mattered how tightly you held onto the wrong people, how intensely you tried, because the right people were always going to find you. The right people were always going to stay and would never leave. Doon ka sa taong hindi ka iiwan. Maikli lang buhay. Piliin mong maging masaya.
And that's Changi Airport in one day. Sana naipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung Changi Airport. And samahan nyo ako next time on another adventure vlog. So, I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang inyong travel bay na may puso. And see you on my next vlog.